Songwriters, I want you to stop rewriting. Stop rewriting. Not completely, but stop rewriting the same darn song. Are you stuck in a rut with this one song that just keeps nagging on you? Are you constantly reworking it, thinking that it's going to be this big break or it's going to be the one? Well, I hate to break it to you, but that's not how it works. The truth is, not every song can be great, and not every song's going to be great. In fact, the majority of songs that you write will not be your best work. So how do you know which ones would rise to the top if you don't have enough to compare? The biggest area of growth as a songwriter comes from writing lots of songs and learning each time that you write. If you keep focusing on one song, you're taking away your time and your energy from writing more songs. I think many people work and rework one single song because they think they have a limited supply of ideas. This is simply not true. You have an unlimited supply of ideas if you know how to discover and craft songs. The more you write and hunt for new ideas, the more adept you get at writing them. And if you don't write very often, your writing skills will stay rusty. You have to write enough to blast through the rust in your pipes. And remember, you're not writing to get perfect results or to write the perfect song. You're writing to become the best writer you can be. Yes, the process matters more than the end results. This applies to beginners as well as experienced songwriters. Songwriting is like panning for gold. You have to sift through a lot of rocks and dirt before a few little nuggets show up and shine in the sun. So many times when you rewrite the same song, you actually make it worse. You are trying to breathe life into a lame idea. And if you don't write enough songs, you won't know what good actually looks like. And you can't know good songs if you don't see the turds. So I'm asking you, stop worrying so much about one song. You can always write more, and you can always, and you will write better. So give that one song you keep worrying about some space, or just toss it. Use what you've learned in your work to write something better and even more powerful. So now get out there and write. If you want to learn tips and techniques to help you write better, check out these other videos here at Home Songwriting, and remember, the more that you write, the better you'll get. So don't get stuck in a rut with just one song. Keep writing, keep learning, keep growing, and keep watching At Home Songwriting. If you want to join me live for online workshops, check the link in the description and also check out these other videos. Let's do it.